All right. This is the next part of the lathe practice wood project. All right, I'm Mr. G. We're at Memorial High School. Check this out. All right. So this is how you start it. You hold down the start button, and then you move the stop into the start position. Now you're turning at about 1,000 RPM. And you have this outer piece here, which is spinning. And then what you could do is you could crank it up. And that is above 24 revolutions per minute. And then what you can do is you can take this and carve. Alright, how you doing? And that's an example. You want to turn it up? Slowly crank it back down. Now if you have an emergency, you just reach over and press the button. That would shut off his machine. Well, actually that's on the other side. Shut off all the machines all at once. This whole box would shut off, right? Okay. And so you can see what I've done here. This is a very coarse finish, so there's a lot of skipping and it's not exactly symmetrical, but that's okay. That's what the lathe's for. It'll get it to the point, and you can even sand on the lathe. You can put sandpaper right here while it's running. All right. And this is a nice Oliver, right? And now also when you're running, if you're doing a lot of dust making, you can do the pipe, turn on the pipe, and that goes here. And that'll bring you into this system right here. All right. So now there's a cam action right here. You see this bolt? This cam right here, let's see. And then this whole piece can move. And then that's locked. Turn it on again. You can use this one to get into a tight corner. Okay. All right, let's face the overview. I'm Mr. G, and we'll catch you on the next one.